What makes an industrial robot safe? Robots are incredibly fast and strong, but that power carries a huge risk. Who decides where they must stop, how they should interact with us, and how secure their programming is? The answer is ISO 10218. This is the fundamental international standard that governs the safety of industrial robots and their systems. Its objective is crystal clear: to reduce hazards during every step of the robot's life, from design to maintenance. It is essentially the safety Bible for robotics. To cover everyone involved, the standard is divided into two parts. Part 1 focuses on the safe design of the robot itself, regulating things like the control system and the response to emergency stops. In contrast, Part 2 is aimed at integrators and users, defining the work cell. This part mandates a complete risk assessment and the implementation of all necessary protective measures, whether physical guards or electronic safety devices like light curtains. Given that robotics continues to evolve, the standard is constantly updated. The most recent revision, published in 2025, brought crucial changes that reflect the current landscape. First, the safety rules for collaborative robots or cobots are now unified, making it easier for companies to implement safe human-machine collaboration. Second, with increasing connectivity, the standard now requires cybersecurity guidelines to protect robotic systems from digital attacks. Complying with ISO 10218 isn't just a legal requirement. It is the essential investment that guarantees the safety of your workers, prevents accidents, and ensures maximum uptime for your production line. It is the foundation for responsible and efficient industrial automation.